Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome to my channel in the tropical plants and cooking. Hello everyone. For this video, we are going to plant again or propagate jade plant. So come join me and let's do the process. So this jade plant guys is almost 4 years old now and look how big they are. The other one is 4 years old, the one over there. And so we're going to cut some branches, the branches that it's not needed, because if you keep it growing, it's not gonna grow like what we want, because I want this one to grow as a mini tree. But look at this now guys, it's growing like a mini tree, but we still have to trim it. Like this one, we don't need this, so we will cut it. One branch that we cut, and then we don't need this one. And so this one, because there's already branch over there, so we will cut that into this side. We got branch there, so we should be okay to cut this one here. Will be good. So we're good for now guys. And then this four pieces that we got, I will propagate it. I got a pot there with mixed potting soil already, so let's go. So here we go guys. What we're gonna do first is trim some leaves of this jade plant like that, and then maybe cut this branch. And then we can plant this over here, just like that. And then I got one here again that we can cut the leaves just like that. It's so simple and easy guys. We just don't want those big leaves, so we'll sew it over here. You don't need to put it super deep, just enough that the branch won't fall. So I'm gonna move it a little bit. Right, just like that. And then one here. So I'm gonna cut one more leaves and branch and leaves and leaves like that. And then we plant this here. And then I got this one. So we plant it over here. So there we are. We got propagated this jade plant, and we will wait 2 to 4 weeks and you will see. So thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something on how to propagate your jade plant. You can do it two ways. You can do propagation from cuttings, or you can do propagation from leaves or lip. But the lip, it takes a while. It takes like months to see the result. And the branch, it's so easy. 2 to 3 weeks and you'll see it's growing. So Thank you for watching, and I will see you again on my next video. Bye for now, and here it is.